Hi, Beast. Hello. Nothing.
Hey guys.
Hi, Miss Walsh.
Today we are going to be doing some math, but we're going to be doing it in a little bit of a different way.
Okay.
We're going to be using the shapes that we talked about earlier this week.
Yeah.
And we're going to use those shapes,
I remember
circle, triangle, square, rectangle. We're going to use those shapes to build a rocket ship.
A rocket ship?
Yeah.
Like the SpaceX rocket that just went up into the sky?
Just like this.
Whoa. Okay, that's super cool.
Yeah. So what we're going to need is we're going to need one circle. So a blueprint is like a plan. So before you make your rocket ship, you want to know what you're going to need.
That
All
makes
right, make a
sense.
plan.
Right.
So you're going to need one circle. All right. And you're going to need 3 triangles. And you're going to need 1 rectangle.
And then 1 toilet paper roll.
Yep. And 1 cylinder.
Right.
It's a little above your pay grade, guys. Sorry. All right. So cylinder is just a 3D shape. Okay. So I have my blueprint. I have my plan.
Yeah.
All right. And then Mr. L already made one.
I
Right,
did.
to
I
test
did.
it out.
In a hurry.
So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to find a piece of cardboard. All right. I used my granola bar box.
Mhm.
You can use any cardboard that you want. I'm sure you guys have some cardboard cereal box, whatever.
Cheez-Its.
Yeah.
You know.
And you're going to trace a circle. All right. Just like I did.
Yep.
And I made 3 triangles with my ruler.
Nice.
All right.
About that size.
Yep.
Yeah.
So step 1, cut out your shapes.
Cut it out.
Do you guys remember that? Too legit to quit? Or are they too young?
That's
No, they're
also a pay grade above. Yeah.
too legit to quit. Hey, hey.
Too legit.
All right.
Too legit to quit.
We're having a little too much fun today.
Yeah, this is getting crazy.
All right. So I'm cutting out my triangles right now. I know they're triangles because they have 3 sides.
3 sides.
All right. So I got my circle. I got my triangle.
3 sides, 3 corners.
Yep. 3 angles. Ooh, above their pay grade. Just kidding. All
There's a
right.
Nice circle.
Thanks. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
All right. Now the next part that I'm gonna
triangles,
do, 3 triangles, right? 1, 2, 3, and 1 circle. The next part that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the outside of my spaceship. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this toilet paper holder.
Yeah.
And I'm going to hold a piece of paper next to it like this with my thumbs. And I'm gonna roll it until it's all the way covered. Kind of like when you're wrapping a present.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm gonna make a little line right here.
Right.
All right. And if you see where I cut out, oops, I had my scissors upside down. When you cut out on the line, you have 1 rectangle.
Great.
So what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to make the dome or the top of the rocket.
Mm-hmm.
So take your circle and cut a slit
Right
like
to the middle.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then you're gonna take one side and you're gonna put it underneath the other side. Okay, can you guys see that?
Yes.
One side underneath, all right?
Yep.
Ooh, I guess I should do it the other way so that the brown part's on top.
Sure. However you need.
All right, so then when you stop, it's gonna look like this. You're gonna take some tape. Ooh, kind of lost it there. And you're going to tape it together like that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's really good.
All right, then I'm going to cover the outside of my toilet paper roll. So just like when you're wrapping a present, you're gonna tape. Oh, I made it a little too big. I think I need to trim it. Hold up.
Sure.
Hold up. Wait a minute. All right.
That's right, because you want to measure it to be
Exact.
same width.
Yeah. All right, so I'm just gonna cut a little bit off the top. No problem. Ta-da. All right, so just like you would a present, you're gonna take your tape and you're going to tape it like that, and then you're gonna roll it around,
Nice.
okay? And then you're gonna tape it again at the top and at the bottom. So used, there we go, just to cover the whole cylinder, just like that.
I see it.
All right,
Yep.
maybe one in the middle, just to be a perfectionist.
Nice. So you have the rocket skin
It's rocket skin.
taped
Rocket
on.
top.
You got the cone.
Okay, so you have two options with the top, okay? You can use wet glue, if you want to glue it on the top, if you have that.
Right. And it
If
would just
you-
be a thin bead around the top.
Right, you
Right.
would just kind of do like, like that, and
And then put the cone.
press it.
And then wait till it dries. Mhm.
You know what I noticed? I made my cone a little too big.
That's okay. That's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah, so.
Should overlap a little bit.
Yeah, but it's overlapping a lot. Is that okay?
That's true. And
That's fine.
yeah.
All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the tape method because it's easier.
Right.
And so I'm gonna put some tape right here on the edge.
Oh, I see. You made it like a double-sided.
Yeah,
That's a
I made
good
it like
idea.
a little sticky.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Oh dear, my hands are sweaty.
Yeah, it's warm today.
All right, come on tape. Whoopsies, there we go. All right, so now I got the top of my rocket on. And just to be safe, I'm gonna give it a little extra. 'Cause
Sure.
I feel like it's gonna fall off.
There you go.
All right, one there and one on the other side. Just, you know, because I want to play with this a lot.
Yeah, right.
I don't want it to break the first time I use it.
No, that's a
All
bummer.
right, so now you're probably wondering, what am I going to do with these triangles?
Right.
Okay, so what you're going to do with the triangles is you're going to start at one of the corners and you're going to cut a slit to the middle, like
Nice.
that, just like that,
Yeah.
okay? You're gonna do that with all three triangles. 1, 2, and 3. Guess I should use that side, it's flatter. Okay,
Okay.
then on the bottom of your rocket, you're gonna cut 3 slits.
Right.
Sorry, 3.
3 slits, yeah.
All right, so 1 here, and then I'm just gonna go right underneath.
Yep.
And then 1 on this side. All right, so then I'm gonna take my triangles, oh dear, and I'm going to attach them like that.
Right.
1, oops, you gotta bend them sometimes to open the slit up.
That's right. And once it catches, you'll feel it.
Yeah, 2, and this is so my rocket can stand up also.
Hmm. Yeah, it stabilizes it during flight and keeps it standing up.
Yeah. All right, 1, 2, 3. I think my proportions were off.
Oh, yeah, right. If you make them equidistant,
Uh-oh. Maybe I need to take one from this one and give it 4. What do you think?
I think that's perfectly acceptable.
Yeah?
Yeah. Because you would either make a tripod or a 4.
So then I would need 4 triangles, but it doesn't matter. You can use either one.
Yeah.
All right. So now my rocket is standing up.
Mhm.
All right. And that one will probably still stand up too.
Yeah, why not?
Yep. So if I want, I'm going to draw, you know, the windows
Hmm.
so the astronauts can see out.
Yeah, that's fun.
And like a door so they can get in.
Sure.
And I might write like, USA!
America.
And then I might write like, NASA!
Hmm.
And then the rocket that we watched launch was SpaceX. So I might
Sure
write
was.
SpaceX.
And the astronauts made it to the International Space Station. by the
Yeah.
way. Yeah.
So that's what you guys are going to do.
Okay.
All right? You're going to make your very own rocket
Yeah.
using shapes. And I hope you guys have a really good time doing it. And I can't wait to see what rockets that you guys come up with at office hours. Have fun. Bye.
Stay happy. Bye, friends.